Hey there! Today we're starting a series about the sounds that different animals make. I'm sure you'll be surprised by some of them. Let's get started. So, what does a large dog say? It's barking. Woof, woof. What about a small dog? Small dogs are yapping. Yep, yep. And how about a mouse? It's squeaking. Squeak, squeak. What sound does a cat make? It's meowing. Meow. Now, what sound does a cow make? It's mooing. Moo. And how about a horse? It's neighing. Neigh. And a donkey, it's braying. Hee-haw. We're not finished yet. For more words with examples of their use, check out my playlist Vocabulary Boost with Marat. Now, what sound do sheep or goat make? They're bleating. Bah. And how about a pig? It's oinking. Oink, oink. What sound does a rooster wake up everybody in the morning? It's crowing. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Do you know what does a lady chicken say? By the way, she's called a hen. She's clucking. Cluck, cluck. What about a chick? It's beeping. Beep, beep. And finally, a duck. It's quacking. Quack, quack. But wait, there's more. In the next part of this series, we'll explore the sounds of wild animals. Ever wondered what sound a lion or a snake makes? Stay tuned for part 2. Learning English is fun. Keep watching Vocabulary Boost with Marat for more exciting English lesson and tips. See you next time. Bye!